So you have made a mind to build a custom software for the problem that has been aching you for a really long time. Well, hold your horses, because I'm going to lay down 3 important things that you need to consider before embarking on a journey of custom software development. How do I know this? Because my company has developed and delivered hundreds of custom software for clients from different industries. So friends, my name is Saurabh Mishra and I'm the CEO of Eiosys Private Limited. So let's dive into these 3 important points. Number first, budget constraints. Developing a custom software is not cheap. It requires involvement of highly skilled resources, from requirement assessment, UI designing, testing, deployment, maintenance. There are a huge number of diverse skill sets which are involved. This increases the cost to a great level. So be cognizant of it. And it doesn't end there. To maintain this software, to provide you with the support for this software would also require highly skilled resources. So your maintenance and support costs are going to be significantly higher, right? So that's a very important point, budget constraints. Number 2, time constraints. Okay, so you're very clear with the budget, you're fine with it, but you have to consider that by paying the amount, you're not getting the software tomorrow. The earliest that we have delivered a custom software is around 3 months, 4 days, right? That gives you an idea that it takes nearly 94 days to get for the software to see the light of the day, because there are so many processes involved, right? It requires interviews, discussions with the client, and so on. So whatever you plan to make, know that it will come into effect after 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter. We are working on softwares which have been under development for nearly 8 months as well. So please be cognizant. If your problem is very complex, it will take a lot of time to deliver, right? The third important point that you need to consider is off-the-shelf solution availability. Many people just jump to get a custom software. They don't do a normal Google search to see if there is already an existing solution for the problem that they are facing. Let me give you an example to better explain this point. Let's say if you are facing problem with recruitment, or you're facing problem with finance management, you can very well use off-the-shelf solutions like Great HR is there, then you have Tally is there, and so many more. Okay, these softwares would cost you just fraction of what it would take to make a custom software, and guess what? They will be available immediately, maybe next day. You'll be your resources will be trained and you'll be good to go. So people miss out on these 3 important points and then they regret about it later, for one thing or the other. So please don't do this mistake. Now, if you're fine with these 3 points and you want to go ahead with the custom software development, well, you can reach out to my company. The link is in the description below. We design and develop great softwares that have helped several companies increase their productivity, get better understanding of the data, and make informed decisions, right? So the details are there in the footer. Please fill in the inquiry form and one of our team members will get in touch with you. Thank you so much.